Hey guys, it's me, Millie here, and today I am going to be showing you some slimes that I'm going to be playing with, and yeah. These things are always getting in the way with me. Right. This is what it looks like right now. It's just a normal blue slime. Oh my god. Look now, all you see is blue. Blue. Can't really see me that much. Wait. Oh yeah, I was just seeing this something. That's not actually how it's made. Okay. What's that hard to how you go? How about if I put it on my... You can see anyway. There you go. I just want to do that. I don't actually do like bubbles like. Okay, I'll just put my laptop on that. Okay, I'm just gonna have a timer. Right, I'm back. Now we don't have to go again. Really, yes. This is just to make it more crunchier. It might look wrong right now, but gonna put the wiggly worm over here. Just for now, I'm just trying to get it in this box. done. So I got a little bit of stuff, just to add into this. They look like. I'll put my materials here. Alright, let's see what we have here. We have apples, not the one I was going for, but okay. Okay. I tried to stop the box, but it didn't work. Oops. Darn it. This is just one episode and then another episode of that one, or maybe that one.
That you've already had in there for a few hours, so you're in LA format. Katie, you know I have a crush on you. Will you go to prom with me? Circle your answer. Yes, definitely yes. And she found a no in no and circled that no. Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Bye. Wait, actually I might not end it here.
So Dad put my keys
Or
in the
maybe.
safe. He takes the safe. Cars push the start. So yeah, it works. Well, it's true that would work. It doesn't matter what it's in. As long
Yeah,
as the
I'm not
keys
gonna
in
end
the
it here.
car, the car will
Right,
still
this-
start if it's push to start. So joke's on you,
I
Dad.
actually think this is
Restaurants have to have
okay now, so I'm gonna get on to the next one. Maybe I might not do the red one.
Restaurant got a B rating for health grades. That's awful, and you should not eat there because there's some sketchy shit going on there. So they have to post the rating
This
on the
one's a
front.
really
And
nice
you know
one. I
what they
really
did?
like
They made
it.
into brunch. Put a bunch
So I
of
just
colorful
want it
Google-looking ass letters and
to
made
be
their
okay.
awful B rating
Actually, I
into
might not
fun
do
and
this one
colorful brunch
because
on
it's
Sunday.
actually
Don't have brunch there.
it's really
You'll
like how the
probably
way
get
it
salmonella
is.
and die. If
So
you
I'm
ever
just
wondered,
gonna
it
go with
takes
the red one anyway.
1,367
switching up
licks to get to the
over
middle,
the place.
and it takes 2,056 licks to finish
Sorry,
the
I thought I saw
lollipop.
something.
Wow! So this guy was so bored in class one day.
It doesn't just
had
have
the
to be
lollipop, decided
plain.
to count every single lick. Well, now
It can be
you
a
know how
different
much
colour
licks
if
it
you
takes
want.
to get to the
It
center
could be
of the
yellow
lollipop,
with a
and
red.
how much to finish it. Man, who said my channel wasn't educational?
And then
Y'all
we're
learn
gonna
something new
do
every day. Man dug a tunnel from home to the pub and drank every night while his wife slept. Bro, nah, you can't go
orange.
drink it every night. So he dug a tunnel. I don't know how long is this tunnel? He's just gonna casually go full on worm and just slither on through the tunnel to get to the bar to drink while his wife's sleeping.
Yeah. Maybe I'm doing a video.
I don't care.
Green, 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 green. Damn it. Put you again. Purple, 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 purple. Okay, put that in. Doesn't really look colourful right now because it isn't. And it won't be colourful. I just wanted to... Right. Can't hear because it's into soup. Right.
Because I have recorded proof of the predator saying that he's going to lie to his friend that he's not a predator. So did you get added by the hacker?
With the hacker mask as a profile picture?
He messaged me hello.
I hear you have been messing with members of our organization.
And he said, do you have any final words? Bro, you need to show him proof that a member in his organization is secretly a predator. Alright, I just messaged him. It's against policy that you have me interested, he said to me. Alright, I'm gonna ask him to join the call.
Hello?
Hello. Why have you been messing with the phone call?
Is that better?
Well, it's because a friend of Alex, who's a girl, and she's only like 15, has been getting harassed by him.
I might nearly have to end it here.
We have video proof.
But I will make an episode 2 if you want one. I might, I don't know.
Your colleague's like a bit of a creep.
Yeah. And he's
You
like,
guys
If you want one.
yeah.
Show me the footage. If you guys are lying to me about this, I'm gonna f you up for a long time.
We're not lying to you.
But maybe I'll just do one straight away. I have a cat.
He also showed him the ass. What the fuck?
We have more proof, bro. Just keep watching.
I knew Greg would have been hiding something. He never told me why I was the hacker. Wait, Greg was gonna lie to me? That's breaking the number 1 rule of our whole organization. She's gonna have to suffer consequences now. Greg's... Okay, anyways, he's getting kicked out after this. The only reason he's in our organization first is because he didn't know sort of how to do it. I'm gonna put this up.
Maybe there's nice red things in here that I can do. And instead of putting that, it's okay.
So how old is Greg actually? Because I think he's been lying to us this
It
whole
looks like it's stuck now.
To my knowledge, he's in his early 30s.
Okay.
He's actually talking about Greg. And to you guys at 14.
Can you give us this information so we can expose him?
After the evidence I've seen tonight, yes.
Okay.
Well, wait, YouTubers.
It's nearly until I end it. So, okay.
I thought so.
And hopefully we get the authorities involved in trouble.
Are you guys big on YouTube?
Yeah, it's pretty big. Like,
Okay, I have to be quick now.
You must make a lot of money. All members of our organization need to have all our personal information accessible to all of us to actually join the organization in the first place. So I can send you his information via text document if you like that.
okay, why are you sending us a download to his information? How are you gonna just put it in the chat?
No. Trust me. I would have over big YouTubers.
I don't know if we can trust you because I know the way hackers get through into people's computers. They do it through like sending people over downloads with like viruses inside of them, and they can like get their information. So, you know, even though you seem trustworthy, I don't know if we can trust you.
If you don't trust me, download an antivirus.